Okay, so I am in Ink Stitch. That's an extension of Inkscape. It's about the best tool I can use right now for digitizing my designs and turning them into embroidery designs. And I am learning. I am on a like super beginner level. I've had so many problems with the machine so far. It isn't as simple as dropping it in there and making it into an SVG. I've seen videos where people just drop it in and they do the simulator and it comes out perfect. There's something they're not telling me. But I have been watching some really good videos explaining a lot of this, and I've actually, I'll show you here right quick. I've actually already traced, but see, my problem here is that I want all of these little pins on this little voodoo doll, with the exception of this one, to be on top, and I don't know how that'll work if I've created a solid little kind of voodoo or gingerbread man looking shape here. I already put one of those on there, but it's obviously not gonna do right because that's overlapping that. So my question is, does anybody have a good resource or can tell me how I can do this and have it turn out right? Y'all gonna see me learning as I go a lot. That's how I started with sewing tutorials, and that's how it's gonna be with embroidery. It's not really gonna be tutorials, it's gonna be learning as I go. Watch me learn, and eventually maybe I can teach somebody something. But this is a heavy learning curve for me because I've already broken 2 needles and went through 3 pieces of fabric and the cutaway stabilizer and all that. And I'm just trying to not waste so many materials. So stay tuned for more videos. This, you know, like I said, I'm learning. But if you gals and guys have any advice or help for me, go for it. I did have, my friend Lisa sent me a copy of the Brother design software, but something has gone wrong with it and it's not working anymore. So I'm going to have to learn right here on Inkscape. So stay tuned.